Good morning, students. This is your science class, and today we will revise chapter number 12, Reproduction in Plants. We have already done this chapter. Yes, can you tell me the meaning of reproduction? Yes, bache. Re means again and production means to produce. The production of new individual from their parents is known as reproduction. Now, what are the modes of reproduction in plants? There are main two modes of reproduction. One is asexual and another is sexual. In case of asexual reproduction, plants can give rise to new plants without the seed. Means in asexual reproduction, seeds formation does not take place in plants. Whereas in case of sexual reproduction, from where new plants are obtained? Yes, they are obtained from the seeds. Seed formation takes place in the sexual mode of reproduction. Now, what are the different kinds under the asexual reproduction? As we have discussed, in this mode, plants are obtained without production of seeds. It means some vegetative parts of plants are being used for producing new plants, and that mode is vegetative propagation. What is vegetative propagation? In which some vegetative parts of a plant, that is root, stem or leaf, may be used, that is known as vegetative propagation. Yes, you know that radish, carrot, these can be grown by using their roots. It means that is one of the kind of the vegetative propagation. Here you can see these eyes on the potato. If we use these eyes or bud of the potato for growing new plant, this is by the stem cutting. This is also one of the mode of the vegetative propagation. In case of bryophyllum, these leaves, buds are being used for growing new leaves. So this is also one of the mode of the vegetative propagation. Another mode is budding. In case of budding, bud grow along with the parent plant. This is an example of the yeast. Yeast is an unicellular organism, means single cell organism. Here bud grows, nucleus inside the parent body divides, and one of the nucleus then goes to the bud. When this bud gets mature, it gets detached from the parent body. And in this way, chain of buds are formed and yeast cell multiplies. Yes, next mode is fragmentation. As it is clear from the name, here fragments of the body is formed and then new individuals are formed. It takes place in unicellular plants like algae. Algae breaks up into two or more fragments. Here you can see this is the type of algae, Spirogyra. First of all, it breaks into the fragment and then complete algae is formed from these fragments. This is fragmentation. Next one is spore formation. Here spores are the tiny asexual reproductive bodies, and they keep floating in the air as they are very light and they can cover the long distances also. During the unfavorable conditions, means when conditions are not favorable for them, not appropriate temperature is there, a cell wall is formed around these spores, and this collectively is known as sporangium. And when the favorable condition comes, this cell wall breaks down and these spores come out from there. And in this way, it reproduces through spore formation. This type of reproduction takes place in the fungus. I hope you understood about the various mode of asexual reproduction. Today you have to learn question answers related to the asexual mode of reproduction. Thank you. Have a nice day.